Hello and welcome to LarabTech. This video is about how to lose weight. Losing weight is a common goal for many people, but it can be overwhelming and confusing to know where to start. In this video, we will provide you with practical tips and strategies that can help you achieve your goal of losing weight. 1. Start with a plan. The first step to losing weight is to have a plan in place. Develop a structured approach by setting a realistic weight loss goal and developing a meal and exercise plan that fits your lifestyle. This can help you stay focused and motivated throughout your weight loss journey. 2. Track your food intake. Keeping track of what you eat can help you see where you might be overeating and make changes as needed. Use a food journal, app, or website to record your meals and snacks. This will also help you adjust your diet to ensure you are consuming the right amount of calories and nutrients. 3. Incorporate physical activity into your routine. Exercise is a crucial component of weight loss. It not only helps you burn calories but also improves your metabolism and builds muscle. Start small by adding a 30-minute walk to your daily routine, then gradually increase the duration and intensity of your workouts. 4. Practice mindful eating. Paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues can help you avoid overeating. Take time to savor your food by chewing slowly and enjoying each bite. Avoid distractions like TV, phones, or computers during meals, which can lead you to eat more without realizing it.
5. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for weight loss. Lack of sleep can affect hormones that regulate appetite, leading to increased cravings for sugary and high-calorie foods. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to feel refreshed and energized throughout the day. Remember, losing weight takes time and effort. Be patient and consistent with your approach, and stick to healthy habits that work for you. With the right mindset and strategies in place, you can achieve your weight loss goals and become the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos.